Welcome to this PV Manager tutorial. In this video I will show you how to use the project management. When you open the PV Manager, a new project with a new project number will be created. Then you can type in a commission. The first thing you do now is to save the project. When you have saved it, you can find your project in the project management. Here you can see your project with the project number and the commission. You can also see the creation date, the last update, and the username of the project. If you want to share a project for your colleagues in your company, you can share the project on the button Share Internal. Then a green check mark will appear. If you want to share the project for IBC Solar support, you can click on the button Share Support and another green check mark will appear. You can also create copies from your project. If you click on Copy, the exact project will be copied with a new project number. When you click on a project, click on Accept, you can go on working with your project.